Welcome back. It's been a little while, hasn't it? Not a long time, but a little while. Okay, so I'll scream you if you can't hear me. So yeah, this steering column flopping about. Got the dash in half an accurate position, I think. And I'll put this has got an adjustable thing, so I'll put it into the highest position so we can always come down if we need to. But basically, the column needs to come up as high as nearly hitting. There's a ECU there, so we'll just use that as a guide. We'll put a bit of tape on it. Because there's two things. It's how high you want the steering column, and then as well as that big stick. We'll have to just draw straight on the ECU. There you go, mark it. And then we can take the dash back out now. You know, technically there's room for the bar to go straight across, whether it hits radios and air vents and things. I think it will. So if we can, try and tuck it back as much as we can away from the front of the dash, because then if we put air vents in and things, we've got room to do things. Dash back out. Well, I just spent an hour or so just wasting time, but made 2 plates up, 5mm plates, which basically I'm going to weld one to the down onto the there. You can see that into there. I've got to take that bracket off. That's going to go onto there. This will allow me to then bolt this onto there, and then we can not use this pipe, that's just a bit of example. We can then join up to the other ones. So yeah. Anyway, you know what I'm talking about, maybe not. Okay, I've got them tack welded in, plates, and then the spreader plate that goes on top, did the other side. So now we need to try and get the steering column into the position that we need to. And try and join up this tube to that plate somehow. In one go, 2 goes. Technically it doesn't matter what it looks like, because it's going to be behind the steering wheel anyway and the dashboard. But okay, crossbar in. Had to put a little bit of wedge in there, but that's all right. Don't worry about that. Don't worry about that. Yeah, so I've just got it tacked in. What I'm going to do is maybe test fit the dash just to see what it's looking like, because yeah, I've done this before, made these things, and then you find out the thing doesn't actually fit. So let's put the dash back in. Yes. Yes, 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 yes. I had all confidence in the dash fitting, and it did fit. So yeah, steering wheel's just dropped into the low position at the moment. We'll raise it now into the higher position. That's all right, I think that's going to work. Yeah, and then we've got this other bit of dash that goes on. Goes on there. Still got to fit all the Subaru dials up inside yet. But after today, I'm actually surprised we made some progress, to be honest. So I'm quite pleased we have. Yeah, my foot's wet, my sock's wet on one side. Whew. Oh dear. I don't know when I did that. Anyway. There we go. I'll still do a bit more. I'm going to try and get that off, fully weld it and paint it. But just in the middle of this, I just wanted to say thanks for supporting me. If you want to help me in any way, please check out the description, become a patron, Amazon wish list. Just leave a comment. Let me know what you're having for dinner. Go treat myself to Chinese, the local Chinese today. So everybody in the family likes that. So that's all good. And yeah, a bit cold down here. I'm not going to even promise to try and be regular on the videos. I'm trying, and we'll just have to see how it goes. I really need to sort my game out next year, just for my own personal reasons, because I just not getting anything done. So thank you for encouraging me down here today. I know you didn't actually say anything and say, hey, where's videos or anything, but actually knowing you were waiting, you know, you'd like to watch a video, hopefully. So that just got me out of my arse and got me down here and actually got me doing something. So thank you. Sorry we couldn't show you more, but yeah, let's crack on and see what we've got. We've got another hour or so left before we have to head off and it gets too dark. Insert 1 week later, Marson, because it is 1 week later.
One eternity later.
Yeah, I ran out of time the other day, and then I had a load of other issues. We had to get the Swift moved swiftly, because where it is staying. I won't show you the video, won't distract from that. That'll be a separate video of the state of that. But anyway, let me tell you, it's not nice. But anyway, we've got that all sorted and everything else, and I'm still struggling to get down here. We've only got a good couple of hours down here. It is sunny and dry. Pizza for dinner, which I expect is what I said at the beginning of this video, because it's mostly the same day again from last week, Saturday. But yeah, what I want to do is just get that bar out, get it welded up, get it sprayed black, get it back in. Let's see if we can get that done. I might weld in a couple of bolts and nuts just for the grounds and stuff, because the old one had that. The old ECU was mounted to that. I don't know, I think I'll leave the ECU separate, because I think we may mount that later on somewhere else just so we can get to it, and also just in case we ever do put the heater and stuff inside. Anyway, is this project ever going to get finished? Who knows? Thanks for all the support anyway, and all the people that don't give you support. It's fine. It's fine, you're just following my hobby. My brain's a mess. I don't want to get rid of cars. It is an addiction. I'm sure I can't be the only one suffering from this addiction. And yes, I could focus more if I only had one project. But I haven't. And I can't let the other ones go just yet. Yeah. So, yeah, dash out. Let's get the bar on the floor, get it welded up the best we can. Bit of satin black on that, and it'll all look lovely. Let's see if we can get that done in this video, and then add that to the other video, which I started filming during the last week, which I didn't think was enough for a video, so I know I haven't been doing much content. Well, you might have seen that fall over at the end, but that's fine. It's all under the dash. Just a bit of satin black on there. Even the original one at the Subaru's not even painted. So we're better than Subaru. Anyway, we'll try and let them dry. A little bit of daylight left. We've got a few other little odds and jobs which I won't be part of this video, but I need to just go sort them out, and then we'll get back. Hopefully these dry a little bit. Dripping wet, dripping. And yeah, it's cold but warm and Ed, hot. If you don't subscribe, please subscribe. I'm sorry I haven't done, you tell me not to say sorry, so I shouldn't say sorry. We'll get life away. This is a hobby. If anybody's watching for the first time, this is my hobby. It's not a living, I do it for sort of entertainment purposes. Hopefully I entertain you, but I do it just because most of the time I like doing it. So yeah, if you want to help me anyway, check out the description. Plenty of different ways to become a patron. Why not pay cost of £1? Get me a heater. Cold. Anyway, enough of my sob stories. Alright, crack on. Okay. Bar in, painted, loosely bolted up for now. One step in some direction, right or wrong, who knows, but that's what we've done. And yeah, I haven't tightened the steering column yet, but it's hung on there. Yeah, that's all right. Solves one problem, causes others, but we have to try and find the minimum amount of fuss of problems. But when you're building these cars, who knows? All right, still lots more to do, and we'll try and find some more time, but that's about it. Again, thank you for everyone that sticks with me. Thank you for all the messages about I've seen you on Shaun the Sheep advert again. Get that every year. And yeah, till next time, stay safe everyone. I can't promise next week's video, but we'll try. I am going to go stop and see my dad in a day or so. Quick flyby visit, but we'll try and get a quick update of how he's getting on with his project and his Rochdale Olympic. We've also got some cars around here that we need to sort as well. Whew. Bye.